How to reset PSP password if forgotten. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you reset your PSP password if you've forgotten it. If you have forgotten your password and facing restricted content issue, the most straightforward method is to restore the PSP to default settings. This will reset the password to default value, that is 000, a default value that is you have to type in 4 zeros, and allow you to access the system and content normally. Here's what you need to do it. Go to the PSP's home screen and select settings. Then select system settings, after which find the selected restore default settings. Then what you need to do is you may be prompted to confirm the actions, confirming the reset, and PSP will reset to default settings, including the password, which will be set to 0000. Now, the things you need to consider that is the process does not erase any data or files on your PSP, only the system settings. After the reset, you'll be able to access the PSP and all its features, including the internet browser and a game, without needing to enter the password. And if you change the password again, remember to write it down for further references, as the default password is only 0000. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.